So today I want to take a look at this teeny tiny little Nitecore NTK05 that was very kindly sent to the channel by Banggood. So thank you very much to Banggood for sending it in. Let's have a look at it then, guys. As you can see, it's a very small, very tiny little knife. You can keep it on your keyring very easily. Anything on the back here? Nothing that we can see. Yeah, what a tiny little thing it is. Now this little fellow is made of titanium. Is incredibly lightweight, as you can see. Weighs next to nothing at all. Dimension wise, you're looking at 55.4mm closed and 98mm open. And it is in fact a little tiny slip joint as well. You can just about see the little spring opening there at the top, just under my finger there. There we go. It's a fantastic design little knife, it really is. There we go. As I say, you can keep it on a keyring as well. But a little tiny scalpel type knife that you can keep on a keyring, this is excellent. This is. Opening it up, you do need a little bit of effort to open it. It's not going to come open accidentally in your pocket at all. It does take quite a bit of effort to open it. And it snaps with authority in the open position. I can just about get 3 fingers on it, as you can see, holding it like this. You can use it like so, like a proper little scalpel. It is actually a lot smaller than a standard scalpel, as you can see right here, guys. It's very, very tiny. I wonder what it's like to actually use it. I think what we better do is get the bitzer bag involved. See how easy it is to use it. Welcome back to Bob the Bitzer Bag. We've got some paper and some cardboard here too. And obviously this thing's not designed for heavy duty cutting, just lightweight stuff, because you can see by the size of it you're not going to get too much of a grip on it. But and of course it's all subjective again, the cutting, because what is the scalpel blade like you get with it? Once the blade, as you can see, it cuts very nicely. Once the blade becomes blunt, you simply replace it with another one. Some fairly thick cardboard here. Yeah, I can just about say get, God blimey, yeah, you wouldn't want to put too much pressure on this, to be honest with you. But yeah, we won't cut too much cardboard with it, guys. But yeah, it's not meant for really heavy duty work. A strand of cheapo rope. Nice speaker style cable. Yep, got that one. If I remember rightly, this is 32020, 32 strands of 0.02 copper, I believe this is in here in this insulation. A bit thicker, give it a go. So we won't put too much pressure on the little knife, to be honest with you. Oh. Yeah, you can do it. It's quite comfortable. Chopping block. And the little NTK05. What shall we start with? We've got the odd strand of some nylon-y type rope here. Yeah, cuts it nicely. It's not too bad to use, holding it like so. What about some speaker style cable then? How easy is it going to be to push through this, I wonder? Oh, it's a bit wobbly. Yeah, I've rocked it through there, but it's not obviously designed for heavy duty work. Let's try some mule tape here. Yep, a little bit of dog lead by the looks of things. Definitely. And finally, a little bit of pipe left, guys, not a lot. This is all I've got left now. It's black pipe. Oh yeah, check it out, pings that nicely. Nice one. Okay then, so it's not designed for heavy duty work, obviously, because I think you could very easily damage this by putting too much pressure on it. It is quite ingenious how you change the blade out on this too, because in this position here you can't get the blade out, and when it's closed the blade will not come out either, as you can see there. So there's a little notch in just here in the frame, just about to see that little notch, and you line the blade up like so, and now we should be able to get the blade out of it. Let's have a look very carefully. There we go. I'm doing this through the lens of the camera actually, guys, but there we go. So there's the blade off, and it can be replaced by any of these surgical style blades. I've got one or two in here. There are several designs of blades, as you probably know, this one being my favourite style of blade. So you simply very carefully open her up. As you can see, it is exactly the same blade, which is a good thing really. So these are plentifully available. Replacing the blade is exactly the same, just in reverse order. You've got to get it over the little this little bit here. Blade's got to go over there. Carefully machined out, looks very good. And we simply slide him along very carefully without sticking this end into your finger. So simply slide him along, and hopefully he should snap into place in theory. It's a bit fiddly. There we go, that's got him on, and then we can close him up again, and we're ready for action with a brand new blade. So if you can find a way of carrying these things in your EDC kit, then you've always got a spare blade as well. What a fantastic little bit of kit, isn't it? So there we go, the little Nitecore NTK05 titanium. You can carry it on your keyring, and as I say, it weighs absolutely nothing. You don't even know you're carrying the thing. It's brilliant, really. Fantastic little knife. So you just got to be careful with this scalpel blade here, because these things are like excessively sharp. So I guess if you're you know, a field surgeon and you need to do a little bit of surgery out in the middle of the field somewhere, this would be ideal. Right, so there we go. I'd like to thank Banggood once again for sending this in to me, so you guys can take a look at it, so that I can take a look at it. Very nice little thing. If you want something small, a little tiny knife in your EDC kit, I can highly recommend this, because as I say, you don't even know you're carrying the thing. It can just disappear anywhere you like in your EDC kit. Don't even know you're carrying it. This particular kit of mine has got a little net pocket on the front. In it goes. Fantastic little thing. So let me know if you EDC either one of these or any other kind of folding scalpel style knives in your EDC kit. I am completely blown away by how tiny and lightweight this thing is. It's just unbelievably small. It's brilliant. Alrighty guys, well, thanks for popping over. Thanks for taking a look at the little Nitecore NTK05. Is it NTK05? Let's have a look, I think it is. Yeah, NTK05. Thanks for taking a look, guys. I do hope you'll pop over to Rathbone Manor in the very near future, because I'm sure I'll have some more EDC kit for you to take a look at. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you laters.